Garlicky, buttery sauce, and nice big, plump, juicy prawns. Ah, these are my perfect garlic butter prawns. All right, this is one of those stories where we need to make one ingredient like the really big hero for the dish, like the Captain America of the dish, right? And that is going to be our prawns. There's nowhere to hide here, very few ingredients, and so our prawns have to be perfect. Now, I've got these beautiful big jumbo tiger prawns here. Love these. You could use any prawn or shrimp that's local in your area. Oh, listen to my lovely Henry crying. Those of you who've watched my channel would know that I just had a baby boy about 12 weeks ago, and he just loves drinking milk and crying. All right, let's get going on the prawns though. So prawns themselves, we want to get the very best out of them, and what I want is like a really big pop. I want the prawn to really pop and crunch, like when I'm biting into it. So to do that, we have a little technique here. First of all, we want to get our prawns into a bowl. And now here comes our secret ingredient, and that is baking powder. So the baking powder is going to firm up the prawns, get them really nice and kind of poppy and crunchy, that texture that we want. So I just want to sprinkle that in. And the other thing we want here is some salt, a nice generous sprinkling of salt. This is going to be like a dry brine almost. So it's going to add salty seasoning flavor, but also going to improve the texture as well. Now just give that a mix. And now you just need to let those ingredients work their magic for about 10 minutes. So in the meantime, let's get the rest of our stir fry stuff all sorted out. And this is a garlic prawn dish, so we want a lot of garlic here. You want a really nice fine chop here. Okay, leave those on the side. And now the spring onion. So depending on where you are, your spring onion or your green onion or your scallions, whatever you call them wherever you are, might be really big or they might be really, really thin. The main part here is as I said, this is the kind of dish where everything needs to be perfect, so including our chopping and slicing. So if you've got a big one like this, then you really want to be cutting lengthways through there to kind of even it out. Same with this guy. And now everything is looking a lot more even. So now we also want to divide up between our whites and our green parts, because the green part of the spring onion or the green onion is better off when we put it at the end last minute, but this pale part is a lot more stronger and I think a lot better when you can put it in at the beginning of the stir fry. So let's slice that in half here, keep our green part separate, and then slice the white part into sort of, I guess, 2 centimeter kind of battens. So they'll just sit on the side there with my garlic. And then my nice green stalks, I want those in slightly larger pieces. So we'll go about here. Okay, so now we've gotten through all of my pedantic OCD chopping stuff. Sorry guys, it does make a difference. Let's get going on the stir frying part. Now, it's a butter garlic, kind of deal today. So we want a fair whack of butter here. And once that's kind of getting a nice little foamy sizzle, I want to get my spring onion and the garlic, or the pale part of the spring onion and the garlic in. Okay, so that is smelling really beautiful and garlicky and amazing. There's just something about garlic and butter. I don't know, just pure magic. All right, so I don't want that garlic to get really brown, by the way. I just want a really nice, soft garlic kind of flavor. So now I want to get my prawns in. All right, so toss those around and look at that. Almost immediately we're getting the most beautiful coral pink kind of color. Oh. So we're almost all pink in here, so I know that my prawns are nearly cooked through. I'm going to add in a few other bits and pieces here. Now I want to deglaze the pan with some Chinese cooking wine, and I want some soy sauce here as well. All right, so just toss it around. I just want to give that sauce like a minute or so to get all garlicky and to kind of thicken up slightly. All right, so that is smelling amazing, and even just like a couple of minutes, and look at that thick, bubbling, garlicky, buttery sauce. Oh, so good. All right, I'm gonna go in with my spring onion tops. Let's toss those through. And I really want to keep that really bright green color. So I'm going to turn the heat off, and now I'm going to go in with my sesame oil. sesame oil at the end because that's going to keep that really big hit of sesame oil flavor. Sometimes if you put it in at the beginning, you kind of lose it as the heat attacks the sesame oil. So there is method to the madness. Now that is looking and smelling beautiful. I am going to get it straight out onto a plate. And there you go, my friends, like super simple, but as I said, nowhere to hide. And those prawns should be Captain America amazing. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh, that smell, oh, so good. The crunch, the pop, and that garlic butter sauce, heaven. So good, yum. And I love that the prawn really is the star of the show. Like, all the other stuff is really beautiful, especially that garlic butter, obviously, but that beautiful prawn, yum.